Hello everyone, today I am going to show you guys about how you can create this vanity sink in Revit. But before we start, let me ask you to like and share my videos, leave a comment below and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you have any kind of difficulty or query related to Revit, you can ask me anytime. So now let's start. Open a new family template file of generic model. As this is going to be a rectangular sink, so in the reference level floor plan I'm going to add some reference planes and the parameters of width and depth for the sink as shown in the video. In this dialog box, add the values for these two parameters. Then go to front elevation and in here add one more reference plane and assign a parameter for the height of the sink. Now select the sweep command in the create tab and sketch the path in the floor plan as shown. Lock all of these four sides and then click OK. Then go to left elevation and click on edit profile and draw the profile according to the design of the sink. So it is going to be have a curve on the outer and on the outer side as well as on the inner side. So move it a little bit upwards so that just make sure that the profile which you are drawing, it should remain within this top left corner of the reference plane. It should be on the left side of the reference plane for the sweep. So select all of this and move it towards here so that it remains towards the left side and no part of the profile should be on the right side. After completing the profile, click OK, exit this mode, then again click OK, and the basic sink structure has been created, but it does not have a base as you can see here. So go to the bottom view and select the extrusion command and draw a rectangle for the base. Click OK, then go to the front elevation and give this extrusion the extrusion end value of 1/4 inches. Edit the profile for the sweep in the left elevation so that it makes a good connection with the extrusion. Now select the extrusion and the sweep and assign a material parameter to it as shown. and you can see that if you want you can change the depth and the width of this sink. So if you want you can make a parametric design for this sink. Now I am going to create some more details within this sink with the help of the void extrusion and the extrusion command as shown in the video. It is now time to place a faucet for this sink. So I have downloaded this family from revitcity.com. So instead of creating a new family, you can edit the families which you download from the internet or somewhere else. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to edit this design of the faucet according to my own requirements, as you can see in this video. I have basically increased the height of this faucet, as you can see. So now I am going to load it into the project and then place it at its position somewhere here. Use spacebar on the keyboard to rotate it, and after placing it has been placed a little bit downward, so use the move command in the front elevation to move it upwards. But I need to edit it a little bit more. Align it with the center point, move it a little bit forward. Now double click on this faucet to open its family file, and here again I'm going to edit some more changes within this faucet. So it's done now, so I'm going to load it into the project, overwrite the existing version, and it has been and the previous faucet has been replaced with this newer version. Place a reference plane here and then assign this assign this reference plane with this tab, and then lock it down, and also place a dimension here and lock it down, so that if you change the dimensions of the sink, the tab will remain at its position. Now open the project file at which you want to place this sink. So I have opened the residential project, and first of all I'm going to place this vanity, which I have designed previously, and the tutorial is available on my channel. So first of all I'm going to load that and place it in this file. Use the space bar to rotate it, and then with the help of align command you can increase or decrease the sizes of this vanity, as it is a parametric family. Now load this sink into the project and place it at its center at here, and after you have placed it, it is placed on 0 feet, but as the height for this vanity is 2 feet 6 inches, the dimension which you can get, click on this vanity and you can see the dimension, which is height of vanity is 2 feet 6 inches. So select this vanity sink and enter the elevation, which is 2 feet 6 inches, so that it is placed above the vanity, the storage vanity. So now let's place a camera and see how it looks like. So that's all for today. I hope you like this tutorial. If you have any kind of difficulty or query, you can ask me anytime. I will meet you guys in the next video. Till then, goodbye and take care. And most importantly, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.